Does stiffness or cramping in the muscles make regular tasks more difficult? You're not by yourself. The good news is that the correct nutrients can help with the unpleasant cramps and tense muscles that many seniors experience. You may maintain your muscles strong, avoid cramps, and increase circulation by eating meals high in nutrients. Hello and welcome. Today we'll share 3 amazing superfoods that can relax your muscles, reduce cramps, and improve mobility. These simple dietary changes can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Tell us where you're watching from before we begin. Additionally, feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss any important health advice. Let's start with eggs, which are among the best foods for boosting muscles. Rich in vital nutrients, eggs can help you avoid severe cramps and maintain strong muscles. However, how precisely do they assist? Together, let's investigate this. One of the main reasons seniors experience muscle cramps is muscle fatigue. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass in a process called sarcopenia, making our muscles weaker and more prone to cramps. To maintain and repair muscles, we need high-quality protein, and eggs are an excellent source. Just one large egg contains 6 grams of high-quality protein, which helps repair muscle fibers, reduce fatigue, and improve muscle function. Eating eggs regularly supports muscle strength and reduces the chances of experiencing painful cramps. Another key reason eggs are beneficial is their vitamin D content. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, which is essential for proper muscle contraction. When the body lacks vitamin D, muscle weakness, cramping, and even chronic pain can occur. Research shows that seniors with low vitamin D levels are more likely to experience severe leg cramps. Since egg yolks naturally contain vitamin D, they contribute to both muscle and bone health. Although sunlight is the best source of vitamin D, many seniors spend less time outdoors, making dietary sources even more important. While one egg contains about 40 IU of vitamin D, seniors generally need 800 to 1,000 IU per day. To maximize vitamin D intake, seniors should pair eggs with fatty fish like salmon or sardines, as well as fortified dairy products like milk and yogurt. For those with low vitamin D levels, a supplement may also be beneficial. Spending time outside when possible can further support natural vitamin D production. While eggs alone may not be enough to meet daily vitamin D requirements, they are a valuable part of a well-rounded diet that helps prevent cramps and supports overall muscle health. Vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve function, is also abundant in eggs. Nerve signals are interfered with when B12 levels are low, resulting in muscle spasms, cramping, and tingling. Eggs contribute to the protection of nerve health by supplying both choline and B12. Together, these nutrients provide nerve insulation and enhance nerve-muscle communication, resulting in smooth muscle contractions and relaxation. This is especially crucial for seniors because cramps caused by neuropathy are common in diabetics and older persons. Seniors are more likely to be deficient in B12 because their bodies produce less stomach acid, which is necessary for B12 absorption. A deficiency can lead to frequent muscle cramps, weakness, nerve damage, and even anemia, which reduces the oxygen supply to muscles. Certain medications, such as metformin for diabetes or acid reflux drugs, can further deplete B12 levels. Eggs provide an easily digestible source of B12, making them an excellent choice for seniors. While other good sources of B12 include meat, fish, and dairy, eggs are a particularly convenient and nutrient-dense option, especially for seniors who prefer a lower-fat alternative to red meat. For vegetarians who consume dairy but avoid meat, eggs are one of the best ways to maintain healthy B12 levels. Many seniors wonder how many eggs they can safely eat each week without negatively impacting their cholesterol levels. Recent studies suggest that most adults can safely consume 6 to 7 eggs per week without significant effects on cholesterol. However, individuals with high cholesterol or heart conditions should consult their doctor for personalized recommendations. In general, eggs are a heart-healthy food and a great alternative to processed meats. Can eating eggs help reduce nighttime leg cramps? Absolutely. Nocturnal leg cramps are often caused by inadequate muscle recovery, electrolyte imbalances, or nerve dysfunction. Because eggs provide calcium for muscle function, vitamin D for bone and muscle health, B12 for nerve protection, and protein for muscle repair. They support overall muscle recovery and help prevent nighttime cramping. Seniors may benefit from eating eggs at breakfast or dinner to ensure balanced nutrition throughout the day. However, dietary requirements differ based on each person's unique medical condition. Seniors with kidney illness should speak with their doctor and may need to decrease their protein consumption. Egg whites can be used in place of whole eggs for people with excessive cholesterol. Eggs and foods high in fiber, such as vegetables and whole grains, can help diabetics control their blood sugar levels. Eggs are a very nutrient-dense and efficient approach to promote muscle, nerve, and general health for the majority of seniors. To maximize the benefits, seniors should aim to eat 6 to 7 eggs per week and combine them with other nutrient-rich foods like dairy, nuts, and leafy greens. Let's discuss bananas, our top second food pick. Potassium, a mineral that is essential for nerve transmission, muscular contraction, and preserving the body's fluid equilibrium, is abundant in bananas. Muscles are more susceptible to cramping and involuntary spasms when potassium levels fall too low, a condition known as hypokalemia. This can cause discomfort, especially for elderly people who may already have problems with their muscles as a result of age-related changes in their bodies. Fortunately, bananas provide a simple and natural way to replenish potassium levels and help prevent muscle cramps. A medium-sized banana contains approximately 420 milligrams of potassium, which is about 12% of the daily recommended intake. By helping to maintain proper fluid levels in the muscles and ensuring smooth nerve transmission, bananas can effectively reduce the likelihood of cramps that arise from dehydration or electrolyte imbalances. For older adults, consuming 1 to 2 bananas per day may significantly lower the frequency of muscle cramps and improve overall muscle function. But how exactly does a lack of potassium contribute to muscle cramps? Potassium is essential for transmitting electrical signals between nerves and muscles. When potassium levels fall below the necessary threshold, nerve impulses become disrupted, causing muscles to become overly sensitive and more likely to contract involuntarily. This can lead to frequent cramping and muscle stiffness as cells lose their ability to regulate fluid balance properly. Research suggests that seniors are particularly vulnerable to potassium deficiency due to factors such as reduced appetite, inadequate dietary intake, certain medications like diuretics used for high blood pressure, excessive sweating, or chronic dehydration. By incorporating potassium-rich foods like bananas into their daily diet, older individuals can restore their potassium levels naturally and support healthy muscle function. Magnesium is another essential mineral that plays a key role in muscle health. It contributes to energy production, regulates calcium and potassium balance within muscle cells, and reduces muscle excitability, which helps prevent sudden cramps. A single banana contains around 32 milligrams of magnesium, which can help decrease muscle stiffness and spasms. Many seniors do not get enough magnesium from their diet, making them more prone to muscle cramps and discomfort. Combining bananas with other magnesium-rich foods, such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, may enhance muscle recovery and further reduce the risk of cramping. A number of causes, such as low potassium and magnesium levels, poor circulation, and dehydration, are usually connected to nocturnal leg cramps, which are common in older persons. Bananas can be especially helpful in treating these problems because they contain both potassium and magnesium. By relieving muscle tension, eating a banana 1 to 2 hours before bed may help relax muscles, lessen the intensity of cramps, and enhance the quality of sleep. Bananas' natural sugars and carbohydrates also help with energy and hydration, which promotes muscle relaxation and nighttime recuperation. In addition to potassium and magnesium, bananas are a good source of vitamin B6, an essential nutrient for nerve function and muscle repair. Vitamin B6 plays a key role in regulating neurotransmitters, which control muscle contractions. It also helps reduce inflammation, allowing muscles to recover more quickly after physical activity, and supports red blood cell production, ensuring that muscles receive adequate oxygen. A single banana contains around 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6, covering roughly 30% of the daily requirement for seniors. Studies have shown that insufficient vitamin B6 levels are associated with a higher incidence of muscle cramps and spasms due to impaired nerve function, increased inflammation, and reduced energy production. Research conducted in 2018 found that older adults who consumed lower amounts of vitamin B6 experienced more frequent leg cramps. By eating bananas regularly, seniors can help prevent muscle-related issues caused by nerve dysfunction and inflammation. Hydration also plays a critical role in preventing muscle cramps. Bananas contain natural sugars and water, which support hydration and help maintain the body's sodium balance. Sodium is another vital electrolyte involved in muscle contraction and relaxation. When fluid levels drop due to dehydration, muscles become more prone to cramping. Individual dietary requirements and medical factors determine how many bananas a senior should eat each day to avoid muscle cramps. But for the majority of people, eating one banana a day gives them enough potassium and magnesium to maintain healthy muscles. Eating 2 bananas a day may help people who have cramps in their muscles. Let's discuss nuts and seeds, our third food. In terms of muscular health, these nutrient-dense foods are sometimes disregarded, although they are essential for maintaining muscle function and avoiding cramping. The high potassium and magnesium content of leafy greens and bananas is well known, but nuts and seeds provide an equally potent combination of vital minerals that support circulation, electrolyte balance, and muscular relaxation. Seniors can strengthen their muscles and drastically lower their risk of experiencing excruciating cramping episodes by using nuts like cashews and almonds and seeds like pumpkin seeds in their regular diet. Many seniors experience frequent and uncomfortable muscle cramps due to a lack of magnesium in their diets. Magnesium is a key mineral responsible for muscle relaxation and preventing spasms. Nuts and seeds serve as some of the richest natural sources of magnesium, making them an excellent dietary addition for individuals looking to alleviate cramping. A small serving of just 1 ounce provides a substantial magnesium boost. Pumpkin seeds contain 168 milligrams, 40% of the daily recommended intake. Almonds provide 77 milligrams, 20% of daily needs, and cashews offer 74 milligrams, 19% of daily requirements. By consuming a handful of these nutrient-packed snacks daily, seniors can replenish magnesium levels, ensuring that their muscles remain relaxed and function properly. Potassium is another essential mineral that plays a critical role in preventing muscle cramps, particularly after physical activity. While bananas are often associated with potassium intake, many nuts and seeds also offer impressive potassium content. For example, a single ounce of pistachios contains 290 milligrams of potassium, almonds provide 200 milligrams, and cashews contain 160 milligrams. This mineral is vital for maintaining electrolyte balance, which helps muscles recover from exertion and prevents the painful tightening that often results from mineral deficiencies. When electrolytes like potassium and magnesium are lost through sweat, it is crucial to restore them with nutrient-dense foods. Nuts and seeds are particularly beneficial for this because they not only replenish lost minerals, but also supply protein to aid muscle repair and healthy fats to reduce inflammation. Seniors who often experience muscle cramps after exercise can benefit greatly from including a daily portion of nuts or seeds in their meals. Beyond their ability to replenish lost minerals, nuts and seeds contain healthy fats that enhance blood circulation, ensuring that muscles receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients. Poor circulation is a common cause of nighttime leg cramps, which can be extremely painful and disrupt sleep. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in walnuts and flax seeds, help to reduce muscle inflammation, while monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews promote better blood flow. By consuming these nutrient-rich foods regularly, seniors can improve circulation and reduce the frequency and severity of cramping episodes. While all nuts and seeds provide valuable nutrients, some are particularly beneficial for maintaining muscle health due to their high protein, potassium, and magnesium content. Among the best options are cashews, which offer a rich supply of magnesium and healthy fats that enhance circulation, walnuts packed with omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce muscle inflammation, pistachios, one of the top sources of potassium with 290 milligrams per ounce, almonds, which provide both magnesium and potassium for muscle relaxation and recovery, and pumpkin seeds, the highest in magnesium, supplying 168 milligrams per ounce. To maximize the benefits of these nutrient-dense foods, seniors should aim to consume a variety of nuts and seeds rather than relying on just one type. To prevent muscle cramps effectively, it is important to consider the appropriate daily intake of nuts and seeds. Although they are incredibly nutritious, they are also calorie-dense, making portion control essential. A recommended serving size of 1 ounce per day, which equates to approximately 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of seeds, provides ample nutritional benefits without excessive calorie intake. For best results, nuts and seeds should be consumed strategically throughout the day. Eating them with meals aids in electrolyte balance and nutrient absorption. Consuming them before bedtime helps keep muscles relaxed and prevents nighttime leg cramps. And having them after exercise replenishes lost minerals and promotes muscle recovery. Despite their numerous health benefits, there are some important considerations when adding nuts and seeds to a diet. Due to their high calorie content, consuming excessive amounts can lead to weight gain, so it is essential to practice portion control. Additionally, salted or processed nuts should be avoided, as their high sodium content can contribute to dehydration and increase the risk of cramps. Thank you for watching. To continue learning about health and wellness, I've suggested 2 more videos on your screen. Be sure to check them out for more valuable insights. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to support the channel and help me reach my dream of 500,000 subscribers. Your support means everything. Also, leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Take care, eat these nutritious foods, and stay healthy. See you in the next video.